The latest iteration of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG represents a significant leap forward for the iconic German automaker, combining cutting-edge technology, luxurious design, and exhilarating performance. This esteemed model boasts a host of improvements and new features, making it one of the most compelling offerings in the luxury sedan segment. In this review, we will delve into what makes the new E-Class AMG a standout choice for discerning drivers seeking the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance. The exterior of the AMG model is a masterclass in design, featuring a harmonious blend of sophistication and modernity. Borrowing design cues from Mercedes-Benz's EQ electric vehicle lineup, the front fascia is characterized by a larger grille, sleek LED headlights, and optional LED running lights that create a striking presence on the road. At the rear, the LED taillights incorporate three-pointed star elements, further emphasizing the car's unmistakable Mercedes-Benz identity. Under the hood, the AMG variant comes equipped with a powerful engine befitting the prestigious badge. While specific details have not yet been revealed, we can expect a significant increase in power compared to the standard E-Class models. This enhanced powertrain will ensure that this high-performance sedan offers the thrilling driving experience that has become synonymous with the AMG nameplate. The interior of the vehicle is nothing short of revolutionary. The cabin is dominated by the MBUX Superscreen, which provides an immersive and intuitive interface for both the driver and passengers. Available in both sporty and classic display styles, this cutting-edge system seamlessly blends the driver's display with the center infotainment screen, creating a truly futuristic driving experience. The AMG model also offers an optional MBUX Premium Plus package, which includes a dedicated passenger screen. This unique feature, activated only when a passenger is seated, allows for full passenger access while remaining invisible to the driver, ensuring no added distractions. Additional optional tech features include a 3D driver display, active ambient lighting, and a suite of cameras for enhanced safety and convenience. Comfort and luxury are at the forefront of the driving experience. The slightly longer wheelbase provides passengers with increased headroom and legroom, while a range of seating options cater to various preferences. From supportive standard seats to optional ventilated and massaging seats, this high-performance sedan ensures that both driver and passengers can enjoy a truly pampering ride. The advanced suite of safety features demonstrates Mercedes-Benz's commitment to providing a secure driving experience. Standard features include automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, while optional additions such as adaptive cruise control and semi-autonomous driving mode further enhance the car's safety credentials. Sustainability is a key aspect of this model, as evidenced by the inclusion of hybrid technology in its powertrain. This not only contributes to improved fuel efficiency, but also reduces emissions, showcasing Mercedes-Benz's dedication to environmental responsibility without compromising on performance or luxury. The AMG version benefits from optional rear-wheel steering, which significantly improves maneuverability at both low and high speeds. Combined with the available adjustable air suspension, this luxury sedan offers a dynamic and engaging driving experience that can be tailored to individual preferences and driving conditions. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG sets a new benchmark for luxury sedans, offering an unparalleled combination of style, comfort, technology, and performance. As this exceptional vehicle makes its way to dealer showrooms, it is poised to attract the attention of luxury car enthusiasts seeking a truly remarkable driving experience. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class revolutionary interior meets evolutionary design. The all-new sixth generation of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class promises to be a game-changer, building on the outgoing E-Class tech advancements with an evolutionary exterior design and a revolutionary interior. Initially, two trims will be available in North America, the E350 and E450, both offering the 4MATIC all-wheel drive powertrain and upgraded 9-speed automatic transmission. The E-Class's exterior showcases a cab-rearward shape, a slightly larger grille, standard LED headlights, and flush door handles. Wheel sizes range from 18 to 21 inches. Under the hood, you'll find familiar 4-cylinder or inline-six power, depending on the trim, with mild hybrid systems that provide power boosts. The exterior of the E-Class showcases a harmonious blend of sophistication and modernity. Building on the familiar cab-rearward shape, the new E-Class features design elements inspired by the brand's EQ electric vehicle lineup. The front fascia is highlighted by a slightly larger grille, elegantly outlined in chrome or optional LED running lights, creating a striking and unmistakable presence on the road. The standard LED headlights not only provide optimal illumination, but also exude an air of elegance and distinction. For those seeking additional flair, the optional digital lights with a projection function add a touch of futuristic appeal to the vehicle's exterior. At the rear, the sleek LED taillights incorporate three-pointed star elements, further emphasizing the car's unmistakable Mercedes-Benz identity. The E-Class's side profile is characterized by clean lines and a streamlined silhouette, giving the vehicle a dynamic and poised appearance. The flush door handles not only contribute to the car's sleek aesthetic, but also enhance aerodynamic efficiency. With a selection of wheel sizes ranging from 18 to 21 inches, drivers can customize the E-Class to match their personal style preferences and driving needs. The carefully crafted exterior of the E-Class is not just about aesthetics, but also serves a functional purpose. The car's design optimizes aerodynamics, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. Furthermore, the use of high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail ensure that the E-Class is not only visually stunning, but also built to stand the test of time, embodying the brand's commitment to unparalleled quality and craftsmanship. The real excitement lies in the E-Class's interior, which features the MBUX Superscreen regardless of trim level, with multiple cameras for various functions, including driver monitoring and gesture control. An optional 3D driver display and active ambient lighting offer added customization. The new E-Class also boasts a single computer system to handle third-party apps such as Angry Birds, WebEx, Zoom, Vivaldi Browser, and even TikTok. Mercedes has upgraded its voice command system and incorporated an advanced AI system to learn and implement driver routines. Optional rear steering, airmatic air suspension system, and a host of driver assistance and infotainment features make the 2024 E-Class an impressive vehicle. The E-Class also offers a range of seating options to cater to various preferences. The standard seats provide ample support and comfort, while the available sports seats offer additional bolstering for a more engaging driving experience. For those seeking the utmost luxury, the optional ventilated and massaging seats can be added, ensuring a truly pampering ride for both the driver and passengers. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class also boasts an impressive suite of safety features, ensuring a secure drive for all occupants. Standard features include automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Additional optional safety features include adaptive cruise control, evasive steering assist, and a semi-autonomous driving mode, further enhancing the E-Class's reputation for providing a safe driving experience. The infotainment system in the 2024 E-Class is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The intuitive touch-based interface allows for easy access to various vehicle functions, while the voice command system ensures that the driver can control features without taking their hands off the wheel. Additionally, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration for both entertainment and navigation purposes. One of the most notable aspects of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is its commitment to sustainability. The mild hybrid systems in both the E350 and E450 models contribute to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Furthermore, the extensive use of sustainable materials throughout the interior highlights Mercedes-Benz's dedication to environmental responsibility without compromising on luxury and comfort. The E-Class's adaptive air suspension system not only enhances ride comfort, but also provides a more dynamic driving experience. Drivers can choose from various suspension settings, ranging from comfort-oriented to sporty, adapting the vehicle's behavior to suit individual preferences and driving conditions. This level of personalization ensures that the E-Class is able to cater to a wide range of driving styles and preferences. The optional rear-wheel steering system in the E-Class is a game-changer for maneuverability. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn up to 4.5 degrees, significantly reducing the vehicle's turning circle. At higher speeds, the rear wheels can turn up to 2.5 degrees for added stability and performance. This feature is especially useful for navigating tight spaces and making parking a breeze. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, luxury, and performance. With its evolutionary exterior design, revolutionary interior features, and cutting-edge technology, the new E-Class is set to redefine the standard for luxury sedans. As it enters dealer showrooms, the 2024 E-Class will undoubtedly attract the attention of discerning buyers seeking a perfect blend of style, comfort, and technology, all while carrying the prestigious Mercedes-Benz badge. The 2024 E-Class is expected to hit dealer showrooms by the end of 2023, with pricing and specific on-sale dates yet to be announced. With a balance of class, substance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is set to compete with European rivals like the Audi A6 and the BMW 5 Series, while maintaining the prestige of the Mercedes-Benz badge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.